Personalized nutrition and DNA-based diets, how your genes affect what you eat. Imagine a diet plan designed just for you. Not based on trends, not on guesswork, but on your unique DNA. Sounds futuristic, right? Well, the future of nutrition is here. Welcome to Salimat's Holistic Health, where today we explore the science behind DNA-based diets and how they could transform your health forever. A DNA-based diet is a nutrition plan designed around your genetic makeup. Scientists have discovered that our genes influence how we process different foods, from carbs and fats to vitamins and minerals. Instead of following a one-size-fits-all diet, this method tailors food choices to what your body actually needs. Have you ever noticed that some people eat junk food and never gain weight, while others struggle with even the healthiest meals? The secret lies in our genes. Here's how DNA influences our nutrition. Metabolism rate. Some people have genes that burn fat faster, while others store more. Carbohydrate sensitivity. Certain genes make you more prone to weight gain from high-carb diets. Lactose and gluten tolerance. DNA testing can reveal whether your body struggles with dairy or gluten. Vitamin absorption. Some people naturally absorb vitamin D, B12, or iron better than others. DNA-based diets offer huge benefits, but they're not perfect. Let's break it down. Pros. Personalized nutrition based on science. Better digestion and metabolism tracking. Helps prevent diet diseases. Optimized meal plans for weight loss and energy. Con. DNA tests can be expensive. Genetics are only part of the picture. Lifestyle still matters. Science is still evolving, and results can vary. Not everyone needs a DNA-based diet, but it can be especially useful for people who struggle with weight loss despite healthy eating, those with food intolerances or sensitivities, athletes or fitness enthusiasts who want optimal performance, anyone with a family history of health conditions. With advancements in science, DNA testing is becoming more accessible. In the future, we may see personalized meal plans generated by AI based on your genetic profile, gut microbiome, and real-time health data. So what do you think? Would you try a DNA-based diet or stick with traditional nutrition plans? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing content from Salimat's Holistic Health. Stay healthy, stay informed, and eat for your body.